What if the happiest moments of your life are staying trapped inside your head simply because you don't know how to talk about them in English?
That's a painful truth for many learners.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Welcome to Qlip English.
Today, we're going to change that. We're going to learn how to talk about happy moments in English in a natural, warm, and confident way. Whether it's a beautiful trip, a special day with family, or a small, joyful memory.
This is one of the most beautiful topics in English because happy moments are something we all love to share.
Let's start with some simple and natural phrases you can use right away. Instead of saying, I was happy, you can say, one of my happiest moments was when, or I felt so joyful when, or that day still makes me smile every time I think about it.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. One of my happiest moments was when I saw the sea for the first time. I felt so happy when my daughter graduated. That memory still warms my heart.
Very good. Now, let me share a short personal story. Last year, I met a woman named Fatima, 48 years old. She told me she had many beautiful memories, but she never knew how to talk about them in English. She would just say, "It was nice," and stop. After learning these natural phrases, she started sharing her happy moments with her colleagues. She told me later, for the first time, people really connected with me when I spoke about my life.
That's the power of learning to talk about happy moments naturally. It doesn't just improve your English, it improves your connections with people.
So, here's your simple challenge this week. Every day, take 1 minute and talk about one happy moment from your life in English. Speak out loud to yourself, to your mirror, or record your voice. Use the phrases we learned.
Then come back and tell us in the comments, what is one happy moment you remember? Describe it in English. Even 1 or 2 sentences is perfect practice.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to speak more naturally about their life.
In the next video, we're going to talk about the 1% native listening secret. This is a very powerful lesson you don't want to miss.
Thank you for watching. Keep remembering your happy moments and keep sharing them in English.
See you in the next one. Bye.